Welcome to Blide.com, a global neighborhood marketplace where buying and selling has never been easier. From babies and kids essentials to care and beauty products, outdoor furniture, and even agricultural products, Blide.com has it all. Looking to sell or buy bikes, cars, electronics, or phones and tablets? Blide.com connects you locally and globally with just a few clicks. Express your creativity with arts and crafts, or find unique items you won't see anywhere else. Don't miss out on our exciting deals. Whether you're buying new or used items, Blide.com offers incredible discounts daily. Sell to your local community or reach buyers around the world. With Blide.com, your marketplace is global. Our easy-to-use platform lets you browse, list, and manage your items effortlessly from anywhere, anytime. Join the Blide community today. Sign up now at www.blide.com and start buying or selling with ease.